Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. To those of you new here, I am Charlotta from London Art Nanny and I run private art classes in London and also Zoom classes online. So that's globally, not only London anymore. If this is something that's interesting to you, please do find my email address in the description box below and I will get back to you within 24 hours and we can work something out. Or if you want to hear more of it, drop your questions there and I'll be sure to get back to you. But yes, in this video today I am doing a collaboration with Sandy from Sandy Gaskett Art and she does beautiful sea paintings. She is excellent at that. So I contacted her and asked her if she wanted to paint the same reference photo with me and she was keen on that, so that is what we're doing in this video. Let's jump straight into that. So here's how it finally turned out. Thank you so much, Sandy, for joining me in this collaboration. Yours turned out really well, and it was fun to see them next to each other as well. If you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, do hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell to get notified for new videos. And also check the description box. I've got plenty of links that you might find helpful in there. For example, a free arts and crafts magazine. So check that out. I'll see you next time. Bye.